Okay, good afternoon, students. Today we will introduce you to the process through which the ultimate buyer makes purchase decision. Buyers' behaviors as consumer behaviors, as we are the buyers. So what is our behavior? What is our psychology? According to that, a marketer has to decide their strategy, their planning, their mission and vision. Okay. सो गॉट इट टुडे ऑब्जेक्टिव आपको इस पूरे टॉपिक में ओनली यू हैव टू बी लर्न द साइकोलॉजी एंड बिहेवियर ऑफ बायर्स एंड कंज्यूमर्स एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर बिहेवियर यू हैव टू बी मेक योर स्ट्रैटेजी. उसके बिहेवियर के अकॉर्डिंग, उसके टेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग, उसके कल्चरल एंड सोशियो एक्टिविटीज़ के अकॉर्डिंग you have to be make your strategy. So first that objectives is what is buyer behavior, models of consumer buyer behavior, determinants of consumer behavior, the consumer decision process, marketing implications of consumer behavior. So first is the introduction. Why do people buy one product and not another? Answering this question is the basic task of every marketer. This is the task of the marketer, that why the particular people, why those people are purchasing this particular product and this not. So according to that you have to make your strategy. The answer directly affects every aspect of marketing strategy. The research and development of marketer should be effective. If what strategy you are adopting, your planning, your framework, your designing, your modeling is effective, then definitely your product will attract to the buyers. If you know the psychology of the buyers, if you know the behavior of the buyers, if you know what the adult wants, what the old people wants, according to that definitely you have to be make the strategy from product to pricing and promotion, because always 4 P's affect the behavior of the buyers. Buyers आपका एक ब्लैक बॉक्स होता है, जहाँ पर कभी कभी ऐसा होता है we are just seeing the ad and we are attract towards to the product that we have to be purchase this particular product. इतना इफेक्टिव उनका ad होता है, इतना इफेक्टिव उनका प्रमोशन होता है. So how much your marketer has a effective strategy according to the buyer behavior. And what is the buyer behavior? Consumer behavior is the basically process through which the ultimate buyers makes purchase decision. Decision होता है क्योंकि वहाँ पर you have a number of choices and you have to make the decision as a buyer that I have to purchase this particular product and this not. Basically there is a number of definitions of buyer behavior, but I am just giving you the short brief introduction and definition of the buyer behavior. It is acquiring, consuming, disposing of goods, services, experiences and ideas. Means acquiring matlab where you buy the product, consuming the buyer, how the buyer consume the product, and disposing, consume करने के बाद भी what you did with goods, and how is your services and experiences and ideas according to the time, according to the family, a cultural socio effect, according to the technological effect. You have to be make the strategy as a marketer. So The buyer behavior you can define it is acquiring, consuming and disposing of goods, services, experiences and ideas. So I just hope that you got the point what I am telling about the buyer behavior. हम हर किसी की साइकोलॉजी अलग अलग होती है. Some people they want to buy with off stores. Some people they just want to buy everything by online. So everybody has a different psychology, and according to their behavior, their need, their requirement, we have to be make the strategy, we have to be launch the product, and we have to be place our product in a market. So the next slide, definition by Jacob by, okay. The totality of consumers decision include whether to buy or not. इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें इन्वॉल्व होती हैं. What to buy, why to buy, हमें क्यों खरीदना चाहिए, how to buy, हमें कैसे खरीदना चाहिए, when to buy, हमें कब खरीदना चाहिए, where to buy, हमें कहाँ खरीदना चाहिए, and also how much, how often, how long. All these terms are always involve the psychology of the कंज्यूमर, कस्टमर. आपके कस्टमर की साइकोलॉजी से ये सारी चीज़ें मैच होती हैं. कहाँ, कब, कैसे, क्यों, कितना और कितने टाइम के लिए हमें ये प्रोडक्ट खरीदना चाहिए. मैनी पीपल मे बी इन्वॉल्व एंड दे प्ले डिफरेंट रोल्स सच एज इंफॉर्मेशन गैदरर, इन्फ्लुएंसर, डिसाइडर, परचेजर एंड यूज़र. हम सबकी साइकोलॉजी अलग होती है. हैविंग अ ह्यूमन बीइंग वी हैव अ डिफरेंट बिहेवियर एंड डिफरेंट साइकोलॉजी. लाइक if we are talking about the new generation segments, so marketers should think they are also the information gatherer. Influencer का मतलब होता है आपका positive feedback, like you are giving the positive feedback about the particular product to your friends, and definitely and you are influencing to them, then you have to be purchase this product. You will feel that how is it good. So decider means you also works as a deciding factor. Purchaser who purchase the basically product, and users who uses the product. A family or a group, your family background, your culture, your social, in which society you are living, all these factors also affect to your buying behavior. आप किस सोसाइटी में रहते हैं, आपका कल्चर क्या है, आपको किस तरीके की चीज़ें खरीदनी है. Always these all thing impacts on buyer behavior. And time is also a big thing. Time is a very important thing and most important thing, because if we are talking about the technological enhancement and technological environment, then we should know that it is a time saving. Why? Because if we are purchasing as a metropolitan, if we are living in a metropolitan city like in Delhi, Calcutta, Bombay and anywhere we are living, and we just want to purchase some product from any mobile from offline store, okay, so the transaction charges will be more. And if we are a techno savvy person, then definitely we will go to opt the online store. Why? Because the transaction charges will be less, we have a number of choices, we can select, we can get the product as our home. So this will be more reliable and time saving process. So it is the also another aspect of the buying behavior. It also decides the behavior of buyers. So the next, models of consumer behavior. What is the model? Marketing stimuli and other stimuli. There is a 4 P's which affects the marketing stimuli. You know, that is the pricing, product, promotion. So the other stimuli which affects, which influences to the buyer behaviors, that is economic, political, cultural and technological. Because buyers always a black box. Buyer catch characteristics and buyer decision making process, because 4 P's आप किस तरीके से अपने प्रोडक्ट का प्रमोशन करते हैं, किस तरीके से उसकी प्राइसिंग करते हैं, किस तरीके से प्रोडक्ट को लॉन्च करते हैं, ऑल फैक्टर्स ऑलवेज एंड जो अदर इन्फ्लुएंसेस होते हैं which I have told you in a previous lecture, that was the marketing environment. It is directly proportional to the buyer behaviors, economic, political and cultural and technological. Buyers characteristics always directly proportional to the 4 P's, and these are the influences, these are the influencer of the buyer's behaviors. Buyer's decision making process, after characteristics of after the economic, political, cultural and technological effect, the buyers will decide that which product we should buy and why we should go for this particular product. Then buyer response, product choices, brand choices, dealer choices, purchase timing and purchase amount. Product choices means which product you want. Some buyers, they have the different type of psychology. They always preference the product choices. Some, there was brand choices, the brand savvy. Some people, they always want to move that yes, we should buy this particular product from this particular dealer. And purchase timing, some people, they always prefer the timing. Some, they always prefer the amount. Why? Because all the behavior of the buyers is directly proportional to the economic, political, cultural and technological. Okay, so if you are talking about that, the cultural influences, group influences and family influences. Cultural influences means होता है कि आपके buyers behaviors को which type of cultural, you are vegetarian or non, they are always changing by generation to generation. Okay, so cultural influences is entirely different from the group influences. Group influences, in which society you are living, which type of people with you gathering. And family influences means ये होता है what is your interpersonal skills, what is your personality. Say cultural influences means you are a South Indian, either you are a Chinese, either you are a Indian, either you are a UP Eastern, and this will influence to purchase the particular product. Group influences का मतलब ये होता है कि in which society you are living, and आपकी gathering किस तरीके के लोगों के साथ है, and how you are influences with those people. And family influences is further categorized in a 5 parts, that are unique needs, motives, perception, attitudes, learning and self concepts. Unique needs, you have a some unique, जैसे मोबाइल हो, फ़ोन हो गया, या you have a some personal according to your personality, according to your requirement. Everybody has their unique requirement and needs, and according to their needs, definitely they will fulfill their needs. Motives, which factors, what post you are holding in your company, which type of personality, you are long, tall, small, and all these things. What is motivating factor, you are also motivated with your teachers or any your boss or anybody who is working with you. And perceptions always lies between actual things, जो एक्चुअली में है और जो हम करना चाहते हैं. लाइक आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू आई हैव वन मोबाइल फ़ोन, नोकिया का 2800 है मेरे पास अगर, एंड आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू परचेज दी ब्लैकबेरी. ओके, सो दिस इज़ दी विच टाइप ऑफ परसेप्शंस यू आर मेकिंग, जो एक्चुअल चीज़ है और जो आप करना चाहते हैं उसके बीच आप क्या परसेप्शंस रखते हैं. Attitude means which type of attitudes is motivating you. That perception of incoming stimuli is greatly affected by attitudes. People with happy-go-lucky attitudes would buy cars, cell phones, Coca-Cola, club membership, credit cards. With outsourcing opportunity on the rise, English is now favored as a important language for communication in India. As a result, the institutes offering such courses are now benefited. Then learning. Learning. Computers were threatening to many. With increased application of computers, it has become a household product. People are learning to code a specification while buying and use important software. This is a learning. आप हाउस होल्ड आपकी एक नेसेसरी चीज़ बन गई है, दैट इज़ अ कंप्यूटर. की लर्निंग प्रोसेस एंड all these things. And self concept, the consumer self concept, a person multifaceted pictures of himself or herself plays an important role in consumer behavior. The concept of self emerges from an interaction of many of the influences, both personal and interpersonal, that affect buying behavior. So consumer behavior and strategy development. Consumer decision process में आपके there is a number of steps that you have to be know. First, problem recognition. देखिए, if you are a marketer, then first you should know the what is the, you should have a ability to recognize the problem. What is the basic problem? Need कहाँ से आ रही है, problem कहाँ से है. पहले तो आपका इनिशिएशन होना चाहिए यहाँ से कि वेयर इज़ द प्रॉब्लम रिकग्निशन, मतलब नीड आइडेंटिफिकेशन. बिकॉज इनिशियली जब हमने मार्केट के बारे में पढ़ा था, मार्केट प्रोसेस के बारे में, वेयर हमने पढ़ा था जहाँ पर नीड, मार्केट जो नीड होता है वो जनरेटर होता है मार्केट का. नीड इज़ द मदर ऑफ मार्केट. ज़रूरत ही हमेशा मार्केट को बनाती है. नीड से हमारी वांट बनती है, वांट से हमारे डिमांड बनते हैं और डिमांड से हमारी मार्केट आ जाती है. एंड दे आर दी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री टू ईच अदर. फिर फर्स्ट वी हैव टू बी प्रॉब्लम रिकग्निशन, देन इंफॉर्मेशन सर्च. इंफॉर्मेशन सर्च का मतलब वी विल गैदर द डेटा. आफ्टर गैदरिंग द डेटा वी विल प्रोसेस द डेटा. आफ्टर प्रोसेसिंग द डेटा डेफिनेटली वी विल कलेक्ट द वैल्यूएबल इंफॉर्मेशन, और इंफॉर्मेशन को हम सर्च करेंगे. जैसे इफ़ वी जस्ट वांट टू बाय अ मोबाइल, देन डेफिनेटली वी विल सी, अगर हम इकोनॉमिकल रेंज में जाना चाहते हैं तो वी विल गो विद माइक्रोमैक्स एंड इंटेक्स, और हम उसके नंबर ऑफ फीचर्स देखेंगे कि सैमसंग में जो 15,000 में मिल रहा है, वी आर गेटिंग विद माइक्रोमैक्स एंड इंटेक्स इन अ हाफ रेट. सो इंफॉर्मेशन, नंबर ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, हम नेट से देयर इज अ नंबर ऑफ वेज टू गैदर द इंफॉर्मेशन. वी विल गैदर द इंफॉर्मेशन है नंबर ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. देन इवेल्युएशन ऑफ ऑल्टरनेटिव्स विच आई हैव टोल्ड यू. हम इवेल्युएट करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस, अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर कल्चरल, अकॉर्डिंग टू टेक्नोलॉजिकल, अकॉर्डिंग टू दी सोशियो थिंग्स. वी विल इवेल्युएट दी ऑल्टरनेटिव्स. जो भी ऑल्टरनेटिव्स हमारे पास होंगे, विल देन परचेज एंड डिसीजन एंड एक्शन. आफ्टर evaluating and analyzing all these things, we will purchase. Okay, then post purchase evaluation, उसके बाद खरीदने के बाद हम उसकी सर्विसेज को we will see, we will use. उसके बाद हम सोचेंगे कि we in next time we should go with this product or not. Okay, this will be the consumer response. आप जहाँ पर इफ़ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम रिकग्निशन एंड इंफॉर्मेशन सर्च, तो यू शुड गो विद इंटरपर्सनल डिटर्मिनेंट्स, दैट इज़ द कल्चरल इन्फ्लुएंसेस विच आई हैव टोल्ड यू, सोशल इन्फ्लुएंसेस एंड फैमिली इन्फ्लुएंसेस. एंड पर्सनल डिटर्मिनेंट्स में नीड्स एंड मोटिव्स, परसेप्शन, एटीट्यूड्स, लर्निंग्स एंड सेल्फ कंसेप्ट्स. देन दिस ऑल अबाउट द कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर. अब ये था कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर. अब आपने सारा कंज्यूमर, यू हैव लर्न, यू हैव did all the research about the consumer behavior, and you recognize the problem, you gather the information and all these things, and you got the information about the consumer behavior to launching a particular product. आपके पास एक खाका तैयार हो गया, आपने एक डेटा रख लिया और आप उसके अकॉर्डिंग अब you have to be make the strategy, you have to be develop the strategy. First, the market segmentation. किस सेगमेंट्स के लिए यू जस्ट वांट टू मेक द प्रोडक्ट, यू जस्ट वांट टू लॉन्च द प्रोडक्ट. आइदर दे आर द इन्फेंट्स के लिए आप बनाना चाहते हैं, चिल्ड्रंस के लिए बनाना चाहते हैं, एडल्ट्स के लिए बनाना चाहते हैं, या ओल्ड पीपल के लिए बनाना चाहते हैं. फर्स्ट यू विल डिसाइड द मार्केट सेगमेंटेशन. हाउ प्रॉफिटेबल इन ईच सेगमेंट, what are the characteristics of consumers in each segment, आर कस्टमर सेटिस्फाइड विद एग्जिस्टिंग ऑफर्स, जो ऑफर पहले से हैं उसके साथ क्या कस्टमर सेटिस्फाई है या नहीं. देन सेलेक्टिंग एंड टारगेट मार्केट, उसके बाद आपकी टारगेट मार्केट कौन है, विच ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल इज योर टारगेट मार्केट, what are the demographic and physiographic of target market, what is the demand potential of the chosen market. Then positioning, how are competitive offering positioned, how should our offering be positioned, and should our offering be repositioned. Then developing products or services, what ideas do consumers have for new products, what attributes can be added to or changed in an existing offering, what should our offering be called, and what should our package and logo look like, and what about guarantee. This is all about the buyer's behavior. So today we have covered two topics, that is the marketing environment and buyer behavior, and the next presentation we will cover another two topics and your first unit will be finished. So I hope you got all the concepts, you got all the topics, and next lecture we will meet. Thank you very much.